Hi guys, welcome to our channel Digital Chemistry. Today's topic is about atomic number and mass number. Do you know that the atomic number plays a significant role in the arrangement of an elements in the periodic table? Yes, friends, in the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic numbers, as you can see here in the periodic table. These elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic numbers. Look at here the hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3 and so on. Friends, as you can see here the symbols of an elements. Right below the symbol of an elements, the atomic number are written. Here I have denoted this atomic number by capital letters Z. And the mass numbers are denoted by capital letter A. This mass number is sometimes written above the symbol and sometimes below the symbol. Here you can see that the symbol capital H denotes the symbol of an element hydrogen. Right below the hydrogen, 1 is the atomic number, and as you can see here, below 1 there is an atomic mass or the mass number of hydrogen element. Now let's talk about the atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by a capital letter Z. Atomic number is also known as the proton number. Why it's called the proton number? Because it denotes the number of the protons present inside the nucleus of an atom. So by definition, the atomic number is the number of the protons or the number of the neutrons present inside the neutral atom. Now let's take an example of the helium. Look at the atomic structure of the helium here, and we have two protons present inside the nucleus of an atom, which are shown by the red circles. So here the atomic number of the helium is therefore 2AMU. Here 2 denotes the proton present inside the nucleus of a helium atom. So in periodic table we can see that the helium is represented by a symbol capital H, small e, and right below the atomic number is written, that is 2, which denotes the number of the protons present inside the nucleus of an helium atom. Let's talk about the atomic mass. The atomic mass is denoted by a capital letter A. The atomic mass is also known as the mass number or the nucleon number. Why it's called the nucleon number? Because it represents the total number of the protons plus the total number of the neutrons present inside the nucleus of an atom. So let's take an example of the helium again here. As you can see here the atomic structure of the helium, and we can easily calculate here the number of the protons, which are shown by the red circles. So here the number of the protons are again 2, whereas the number of the neutrons that are shown by a green circles are 2 in number. So let's total this number. 2 protons plus 2 neutrons equals to 4. 4AMU. Here 4AMU denotes the mass number or the atomic mass of the helium. So look at here that the helium is denoted by capital H, small e, and right above the helium there is the atomic mass written, that is 4. Do you know the atomic number and the mass number of the carbon? If no, then let's try to find out the atomic number and the mass number of the carbon by using this atomic structure diagram. If you know about the atomic structure of the carbon atom, you can easily find out the number of the protons plus the number of the electrons and the number of the neutrons from this diagram. Friends, as you can see here that the red circles denotes the number of the protons. So count here the number of the protons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, there are 6 protons in the carbon atoms. Let's try to count the number of the electrons. 1, 2, 2 electrons in the first shell and 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons in the second shell of the carbon atoms. So the total number is 6 electrons. Now count the number of the neutrons which are shown by the green circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, there are 6 neutrons in the carbon atom. Now we are able to put these values for the atomic number and the mass number. As we have calculated, the number of the protons in the carbon atom are 6. Therefore, the atomic number of the carbon is 6 AMU. Whereas the number of the protons, we have counted that these are 6 in number and the number of the neutrons are also 6. So the total number is equal to 12 AMU, which denotes the atomic mass or the mass number of the carbon atoms. So here you can see that the capital C denotes the carbon element, whereas right below the carbon there is atomic number 6 and above this symbol C the mass number 12 is given. Without wasting time, friends, like and share my video and subscribe our channel Digital Chemistry.